Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Previous video we learned concept on match statement. Okay, in this video we will do five problems on match statement. Let's have a look here. Friends, see here, prepare a program on calculator by using match statement. Okay, very with simple operators we will prepare a small calculator. Okay, see here. First calculator means what operators are there. We have what are the basic operators are there. Plus, minus, into means multiplication symbol, and as well as division. Okay, these four symbols are there. Okay, with these four operator symbols we will prepare a small program. Okay, see here I am taking, okay, two user inputs. A is equal to numbers I am taking. Int input, enter a number, and B is equal to int input, enter another number. Okay, enter another number, and operator. Okay, operator. Okay, operator is equal input, enter symbol. Okay, enter symbol based on the operation. Suppose if you want addition, give plus operator. Okay, if you want subtraction, give minus operator. Likewise you have to give. Okay, enter operator. Okay, enter operator. Okay, now see here friends, here okay, here I given inputs. Okay, now you have to prepare program by using match statement. Here I am giving match. Okay, here I'll prepare a program based on the operator. Okay, based on the operator. That's why here you have to give operator. Okay, colon. Okay, next. In first case one, suppose I want addition, is take as a case one. In case one, I am giving plus operator. Okay, case one, I am giving plus operator. Okay, in video, I told you print enter here. Actually, no need to enter here. You have to print statement enter here. Enter here also, there is no effect on the output. Okay, this is also a correct way. Now I am giving a plus b. Now I am giving a plus b. Suppose case I want to give minus symbol, subtraction, a minus b. Suppose case I want to give multiplication, print a into b. Okay, a into b. Suppose I'll do division. Okay, in division means, suppose two numbers are there, a and b. If a by b, okay, if numerator is 0, the answer will be 0. Okay, suppose the numerator is 0. See, when we are doing with the 0 is in numerator, the answer will be 0. Okay, suppose the number is in denominator, means what happened? Then, okay, the 0 is in denominator means the answer will be infinite. Okay, infinite. Okay, the answer will be infinite. Okay, infinite means that is undefined. Okay, the printing of undefined is not possible. Okay, the printing of undefined is not possible. That's why you have to write program. You have to write like this: print a by b. Okay, print a by b. Here b, so here must and should b not is equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, the division is not possible. Here b is equal to 0, the division is not possible. When the operator division is possible, b not is equal to 0. If b not is equal to 0, the answer is this. Okay, if the b not is equal to 0, the answer is this. Else print division by, okay, division by 0. Okay, division by 0 is not possible. Okay, division by 0 is not possible. This is the way of writing by using division operator. If suppose b is not is equal to 0, the division as usual. Okay, then remaining other conditions, division by 0 is not possible. That's why here you use ternary operator. Okay, this is a ternary operator. Now see, okay, the remaining any unusual operator given means, okay, at that time use hyphen, print invalid operator. Okay, print invalid operator. Okay, this is the program, friends. Okay, see, very simple program. Here suppose I want addition like this, suppose I want subtraction like this. Okay, I hope you understand this one. Now we will see the output. See friends, enter a number. Okay, here enter a number means I am giving 10 as a and 5 as b, and operator I am giving plus. See what is the answer? 15. Okay, what is the answer here? 15. Suppose 10 plus 5 how much? 15. Suppose same inputs I am giving for all operators. Okay, 10 and 5. Suppose I am giving minus. Now answer is how much? 5. The answer is how much? 5. 10 minus 5, 5, right? Suppose I am giving 10 and 5. The suppose here I am giving multiplication means the answer is what? 50. 10 5s are 50. Okay, suppose 10 and 5 I am giving division symbol. The answer is 2.0. Okay, when we are doing with division, default float value will be print. Okay, suppose if here you enter floor division at that time. Okay, suppose if you give floor division at that time, the answer will be integer will be print. Okay, the integer will be print. See, like this. Okay, in this way you have to do program. Okay, I hope you understand this program, friends. Now let's do the another problem. Now see, second problem. In this problem, we have to calculate grade evaluation by using math statement. Okay, here grade evaluation means in our schools or colleges, based on the marks or percentages, the grades evaluation, the grades evaluations are happening. Okay, see, based on the here, just to take based on the marks. Suppose the marks are greater than 90 is grade A, greater than 80 is grade B, and greater than 70 is grade C, and greater than 60 is grade D. Suppose below 60 marks are there, that student should be failed. Okay, this is the problem. Based on these conditions, we have to prepare a program. Okay, okay, let's have a look here. Here I am taking marks as input, input, enter marks. Okay, enter marks. Next, match statement, match marks. Okay, match marks. Okay, after the marks, here we are taking case. Okay, case. See, for matching purpose, here we won't take marks as a case. Okay, here we won't take marks as a case. Instead of marks, here we are taking one variable. Okay, any random variable. Okay, here I am taking that variable is small m. Okay, small m. See, here small m is a matching case. Okay, here small m is a matching case. Now small m, suppose here marks is greater than 90 means at that may. Okay, here, okay, use if condition. If marks is greater than or is equal to 90, marks is greater than or is equal to 90, this is the case statement. Okay, this is the case statement. Here don't write m is greater than or is equal to 90, m is greater than or is equal to 80, like you won't write at that time. It doesn't work. Okay, it doesn't work. Okay, that's why instead of that you have to write like this. Okay, here matching case is m. If m is greater than or is equal to 90, now print grade A. Okay, now print grade A. Next, case m. If m is greater than or is equal to 80, print grade B. Okay, print grade B. Now case M is greater than or is equal to 70. Print grade D. Sorry, grade C. Okay, grade C. Case M is greater than or is equal to 60. Print grade D. Okay, grade D. Now below 60 marks are there means make as hyphen. Okay, hyphen. Okay, make as a hyphen. Print fail. Okay, print fail. This is the program, friends. Okay, let's have a see the output. Now see here I am giving 95 marks. See, it's grade A. Now I am giving 85 marks. It's grade B. Okay, it's grade B. Now I am giving 75 marks. Now I am giving 75 marks. It's grade C. Okay. Now I am giving 65 marks. It's grade D. Finally, I am giving 55 marks. Okay. 55 marks means it's below 60. Okay, it's below 60. That's why it's fail. This is the program, friends. I hope you understand. It's very simple. Okay, how to prepare like this program, looking very simply, and output will be execute very quickly. Okay, now let's have a dive into another problem. Now see the third problem. Identify the shape by number of sides. You see, in mathematics we have shapes, that means suppose mono is there, if sides means lines. Okay, triangle means the number of three sides. Okay, triangle means a closed circuit by using three sides is called triangle. Okay, a closed circuit by using four sides is called quadrilateral. A five sides by using closed circuit is called pentagon. Okay, but the shapes are, okay, the shapes are forming from three, at least we need three lines. Okay, suppose a single line is there means at that time we are calling as monoline. Suppose two lines are there means at that we are calling as byline. Okay, byline, but there is no possibility to draw a uh, closed circuit diagram. Okay, closed circuit diagram, suppose from triangle onwards we have a closed circuits. Okay, now let's have a see here. Up to suppose two lines are there means that we are calling as perpendicular lines as well as parallel lines. Likewise, we are used for those. Uh, okay, to individual mono lines we are using for parallel lines. Okay, the matching of two lines by using that we are calling as perpendicular lines. Likewise, we have to call, but the closed circuit is formed by using from three sides only. Okay, let's have a look here. Okay, now I'm giving sides. Okay, sides as an input. Input, enter number of lines. Okay, or number of sides. Enter number of sides. See, match sides. Case, see here the case number. Okay, whatever case number is there, the output will be print based on the case number. Okay, suppose the case 3 is there means print it's a triangle. That means this shape is the number of sides are 3. Okay, the number of sides are 3. Suppose case 4. Okay, case 4 will be print as quadrilateral. Okay, quadrilateral. Suppose case 5 we are calling as pentagon. And case 6, case 6 means the number of sides 6 are there means at that time we are calling as hexagon. Okay, uh next suppose 7 lines are there means septagon and 8 lines are there means octagon, 9 lines are there means nonagon. Likewise we are calling, we have so many names are there. These names are coming from Greek words. Okay, here octa, in our calendars also, now October, November, these names are coming from Greek only. Okay, even education also, okay, the education also is coming from educe word. Okay, educe word means to improve yourself. Okay, you have to educate yourself. Okay, these all words are coming from Greek only. Okay, now see the random case. Suppose the number matching there, there means no match. Okay, this is the, okay, this is the way of preparing of a program for sites. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. Let's have a see the output. Suppose three sides are there means that's triangle. Okay, suppose four sides are there means that's quadrilateral, and five sides are there means that's pentagon. Okay, six sides are there means that's a hexagon. Okay, more than here I mentioned only up to six only. If you want seven, eight, nine, whatever maybe, based on your wish. Okay, now I'm giving eight means at that time it will print no match. Okay, this is the program for preparing of a, based on the sides what is the output. Okay, this is the program, friends. Okay, I hope you understand. Now let's dive into another problem, friends. Now see the fourth problem. Traffic signal timing. Okay, traffic signal timing means when we are in traffic, based on the time, it will change for green light, as well as a few seconds for yellow light, and a few seconds for red light. Okay, how it will change, we have to calculate roughly. Okay, let's have a look here. Now here I'm giving time is equal to, time is our wish based on the traffic. The input will be changed continuously. Okay, the input will be changed continuously. Now see the input, enter time. Okay, enter time. Now see here the cycle time. Okay, here the cycle time means, suppose suppose the green light will be 60 seconds. Okay, the green light timing is 60 seconds below 0 to 60 seconds. This is the random timing. Okay, this is the random and average timing. The green light will be on only 60 seconds. Then after 5 seconds will be yellow. Then after 55 seconds will be red. Okay, this is the cycle timing. Suppose one particular, suppose 120 seconds is their complete time for one traffic signal. Yeah, at a particular traffic, is traffic is there, right? At the traffic the complete 60 seconds green light will be on, 5 seconds yellow light will be on, and 55 seconds red light will be on. Okay, this is the cycle timing. Okay, for this cycle timing the total is equal 120 seconds. Okay, the total timing is 120 seconds. Now the time in cycle, the time in cycle is, okay, the time in cycle is will be calculated like this. The time percentage 120. At the time percentage 120 means the output will be, suppose the time is equal to 100 seconds given as input. Okay, the time is equal to 100 seconds given as the input. At that time the output will be 0. Okay, see 100, 100 divided by, okay, 100 divided by, and 100 by 120 means the remainder how much? The remainder is 0. Okay, 120 120 is a divisor, 100 is a dividend. 120 zeros are 0, the remainder is 120 only. Okay, the remainder is 120 only. uh, Sorry, the at that time the remainder is 100 only. Okay, the remainder is 100 only. At that time what is the time? 100 means Already 60-second cross, 5 seconds cross. At that time red light will be on. Okay, here the timing is between the 55 to 120. Red light will be on. Suppose here I am giving timing is, suppose here I am giving timing is 130. Okay, here I am giving timing is 130 seconds. At that time the reminder will be 10. Okay, the reminder will be 10, that means 10 seconds. Okay, at that time green light will be on. Okay, at that time green light will be on. See here, 60 seconds for green. Okay, and 5 seconds is yellow, and 55 seconds is red. Okay, so based on this input, okay, based on this calculation, whatever reminder is there, based on that reminder the light will be on. Okay, the light will be on. Suppose here I am giving 240. Okay, no, here I am giving 330. Okay, here I am giving 330 means what is the output? Okay, 330 means 120, 120, 240. Okay, 120, 120, 240. 240 of 360 means at that time uh 90. Okay, 90 is the reminder. Okay, 90 means at that time it's a red light. Okay, at that time it's a red light. The timing is between the 50 to 55. Okay, 60 to 65. Suppose 60 to, okay, 60 to 65, 60 seconds to 65 seconds, yellow light will be on. Okay, yellow light will be on. 55 seconds to 120 seconds. Okay, 55 seconds to 120 seconds, red light will be on. Okay, red light will be on. This is the program, friends. Let's have a see the output. Suppose here I am giving match is equal to, okay, match is equal to time in cycle. Case is also I am taking time in cycle. Time in cycle, time in cycle time in cycle is greater than 60. Okay, the time in cycle is less than 60. Okay, the time in cycle less than or is equal to 60 is there means, okay, less than or is equal to 60 is there means at that time print red. Okay, sorry, print green. Suppose say, suppose here the timing is between the 60. Okay, the timing is between the 60 to 65. Okay, 65 at that time it's yellow. Okay, next the timing is between the 120. 120 is there means at that time the timing is 120 is there means at that time it will print red. Okay, red. The remaining all cases it's invalid. The remaining all cases print invalid. Okay, friends, this is the program. Let's have a see the output. Here I am giving timing is 30. 30 means it's must below 60 is there, right? Then it's green. Suppose I am giving time is 64. Okay, 64 means at that time it's below 65, right? Then that's why it's yellow. Okay, now the time is 75. It's more than 65, right? Then that's why it's red. Okay, suppose here I am giving 1200 seconds. Okay, it's at that time it's green. 1200 means when this 1200 is dividing with 120. Okay, this 1200 is dividing with 120, whatever reminder is there, based on that reminder the output will be print. Okay, now see here time I am giving 350, uh uh 5 10 I am giving. Okay, random timing I am giving. Now it's also green. Okay, it's also green. Based on this timing the output will be print. Okay, this is the program, friends. I hope you understand. Now let's dive into another problem. Now see, friends, fifth problem. The given character is vowel or consonant. Okay, this is the program. Now see, um, your wish. Here I am taking as string. Okay, string is equal to int input. Okay, input, enter a character. Okay, enter a character. Why? Because in Python there is no characters, always string. Suppose a single character is there means that is also one of the string and its length is one. Okay, then there is no characters in the Python. Always everything is a string in Python. Okay, now as by using string methods, the given output, okay, sorry, the given input I am converting into lowercase letters. Okay, lowercase letters. Now see here, already in match case, already we discussed, right? Multiple uh, the multiple conditions we have to write in single case. Okay, now based on that, first here I am taking match and string. Okay, string case. See, case, here I am taking small a. Okay, small a r and small e r and small I r and small o r and u. Okay, okay, and u. See, this is the case. Okay, this is the case. In this case, suppose the given character. Okay, so suppose whatever I am giving, that character is vowel means this case will be executed. Now print vowel. Okay, now print vowel. Suppose remaining all cases it's consonant. Okay, remaining all cases it's consonant. Okay, now it's a very simple program. Let's have a see the output. Now I'm giving only small letters I am giving. Okay, only small letters. Why? Because clearly here I mentioned, not only if you give anything, definitely it will change it into small letters. Now it's vowel. Okay, now it's vowel. Now see, I'm giving D. I'm giving C. It's consonant. Okay, it's consonant. Here I'm giving Z. Okay, here I'm giving capital Z. It's consonant. Okay, here I'm giving I, capital I. It's vowel. Okay, likewise we have to write the program. Okay, I hope you understand, friends. That's it for today video. If you like this video, if you understand, please like this video and share to your friends and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much, friends.